Okay, everyone, welcome back. And today we have Gorillas Got Talent. First, we have Evil Scientist Dude, who's from Harry Potter. Come here.
Okay, hello.
What do you have for us?
I have, this little experiment. His name is Freddy. He's gonna be on my experiment.
Wait, here's that. These are good.
Yeah, these are good. Hey, Fred, hey, you.
Don't touch experiment. Wait, what is this?
Let him eat that one.
Why?
Cause.
Oh God.
It's toxic. Bodyguard.
It's toxic.
We got my bodyguard in.
Is he gonna be okay? You just shot him. Wait, what's going on? Wait, where's Freddy going?
I do not know. Huh? I do not know. He's going somewhere.
Oh God.
Oh, he's just gonna get some progress.
Wait.
Oh my God. You're so fake. Get over here.